Your Canon printer has stopped printing. In most cases, this happens because a settings change, a printer going offline, or a print service stopping in the background. The good news is that these issues are usually easy to fix. In today's video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to get your Canon printing again. While I'm using the MG3500 series for the video, those troubleshooting steps works for most Canon printers and can often help with other printer models as well. If you need extra help, call on the numbers on the screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Check the printer status. Open the control panel and click on Devices and Printers. Right-click on your Canon MG3500 printer, then click on See What's Printing. Click on the Printer tab, then uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. If that option is checked, your printer is offline mode, which prevents it from printing. If you're still facing issues with your Canon printer, let us know in the comments below. If the problem persists, let's restart the Print Spooler service, which usually fixes the issue. Method 2. Restart the Print Spooler. Press the Windows plus R keys together to open the Run dialog box on your screen. Type services.msc and click on OK to open the services window. On the services window, find the Print Spooler in the list and right-click on it to see the available actions. In the list of actions, click on Restart to restart the Print Spooler service. Just give it a moment to complete the restart process. Once the Print Spooler restarts, your Canon MG3500 should be back to printing normally. If the issue still persists, let's check your default printer settings. Method 3. Check the default printer. Click on the search and open the control panel on your computer. Click on Devices and Printers. Look for the Canon MG3500 printer and right-click on it to see the Options menu. Click on Set as Default Printer to make sure your Canon printer is selected as your primary printing device. If your printer has started working, great, and boom, your Canon MG3500 is now ready to print again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.